Printers are very useful in everyday life. However, there are problems that aren't avoidable, and those are printers are not working properly,
Loose cable connection. Printer is not set default.
printer driver problems,
and paper jam in the printer.
how to fix those problems in the printer. Let's find out today's video.
If your problem is that your printer is not turning on, check the printer power cable is plugged incorrectly. Press the power button on your printer. Let's try if it's working. Wow, it's worked! If it doesn't work, change the power cable. If changing doesn't work, then your power cable might be damaged. If your problem is that your cable has a loose connection, check the USB cable connected to the computer and printer. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged in. Let's see if it works. Wow, it works. If it doesn't work, then the problem is likely your USB cable. If your printer does not set as default, first open Control Panel. Next, click the device and printer. Turn off the Windows Manage My Default Printer. Press the arrow and click the Set Default. And that way, your printer is now set as default. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works.
If your problem is all about driver's problem, first, open Device Manager. Next, go to Printer Queues, press the arrow, and then right-click and then Update Driver. Since mine is already updated, so it should be updated of yours. Let's see if it works. Wow, it works.
Oh no! The printer got jammed! What are we going to do? First, turn off the printer. Left this covered. Next, open the cover carefully. Next is, as you can see, there's a scrambled paper inside here. Now, we need to carefully remove the paper without tearing it apart. As you can see, we remove it in one piece. After removing the paper in one piece, now we'll need to gently lift the cover to close it. Next one is close the lid and wait until it clicks. Then slowly lower this thing. After all this steps, this should be working perfectly again. Let's try to print. It works! Now here's an advice. Do not put a crumbled paper in the printer. Instead, put a flawless paper or without scratches paper in the printer for you to perfectly print without getting junk.
Those are the ways on how to fix a printer, and I hope that it will help you to fix your printer in the future. Thank you for watching.
If your problem is not your problem, let's see if it works. Then the problem is might be your USB cable.
Gently.
If it doesn't work, then mag-work tang duha. Para na tayo sweldo.